That looks pretty fun, actually. Okay, let's take a look at what's going on out at Avila Beach. Wow, take a look at all those low clouds kind of hanging around. Doesn't stop people from heading down to the beach. Cuesta Peak today, we had plenty of low clouds early, but if you've watched us over the last couple of days, we've shown this lapse, and we can see that the marine deck started out high, and by day gets lower and lower, and that's the reason it's getting warm in the interior. We saw some really interesting iridescent clouds in the area. This is actually from the Templeton area, not Lompoc, but you can see that projection of the rainbow colors onto some of the clouds here. I explained that over on my social media. I'm TV Dave Hovde on Facebook. I'm at TV Dave on Twitter, but it really has to do with the size of water droplets or ice in the upper atmosphere. If they're small, you get this. If they're large, you get a halo. And again, much more can be found online. Now, here's what's going on. Next couple of days, beaches, not a lot of change Saturday to Sunday. So if you like Saturday, you're going to like Sunday. But again, we can find all kinds of different flavors of weather around our area. So beaches, some early clouds, afternoon sunshine, temperatures in the 60s. Coastal valleys near 80 degrees and the interior near 100 degrees. The valleys of much of California are going to be very hot. So Sacramento, Bakersfield, the San Joaquin Valley near 100 degrees. The Bay Area warming into the mid 70s. Looking at conditions in LA, mid 80s. Palm Springs 110. San Diego temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Today, warmer than yesterday, 80 in SLO, 94 Paso, 77 Lompoc, 79 Santa Maria, 71 in Santa Barbara. Currently, we're off the peaks. Mid-60s, Santa Maria, just 63 in Lompoc, 75 for Santa Ynez, 67 for Santa Barbara, 88 Cuyama, 66 Cambria, 84 in Paso Robles. There's a breeze, 10 to 20 miles per hour out there, no advisories in place. Again, the San Joaquin Valley already near 100 right now and warming expected even into next week. Vegas at 104, 107, Palm Springs 110 in Phoenix. You can see the low cloud deck out here. There's some upper clouds just in the area as well. And that's one of the reasons we had those iridescent clouds today, the various levels of the atmosphere moving at different directions. And again, the low clouds in at the coast overnight and early, but the interior valleys will stay clear. As a result, we're going to see those warm conditions. Now, as we get into next week, I think we're still going to have marine influence at the coast. It's going to act as a very important buffer. So the interior is going to be fairly warm through next week, but at the beaches and coastal valleys, we're going to see some pretty mild conditions. Radar pretty quiet locally and even regionally, just a little activity in parts of western Montana. The big activity here, Chicago through St. Louis, some big storms, Georgia very active, and the Carolinas as well. For us, this little trough here lifting out of the area is going to be replaced by a ridge of high pressure. It's going to be warm in the interior, maybe just a little dent in this as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday, but most of next week will be warm inland. So a variety of temperatures, 70s for much of the coast with temperatures near 100 inland, north coast beaches in the 60s, the 101 corridor low to mid 90s, Shandon and California Valley in the 90s, 5 cities 60s at beaches, 70s away from the beach, Santa Ynez Valley temperatures mid 80s. 101 for next Friday, San Luis Obispo hovering around 80, Santa Maria in the 70s, Santa Barbara in the 70s. And we're back with more news after this.